Practical testing of components by multimeter. Now we are going to study practical testing of components with the help of multimeter. What is multimeter? In this slide, multimeter diagram is shown. These are the different parts of multimeter used to test various components of mobile at the time of mobile repairing. Multimeter. A multimeter is used to make various electrical measurements such as AC and DC voltage, AC and DC current, and resistance. It is called a multimeter because it combines the function of voltmeter, ammeter, and OHM meter. Multimeter may also have other functions such as diode and continuity test. It can be used to troubleshoot electrical problems. There are different types of multimeter, that is analog and digital. Analog multimeter, it is an older device measure varying units such as voltage, current, and resistance. They display their reading in distinctly different way. Digital multimeter, it is one of the most useful item of test equipment. Basic instruments can measure current, voltage, and resistance, but most include the capability to measure any other values. Now briefly look at the components of multimeter. Red meter is connected to voltage and considered the positive connection. Black meter is connected to the common port. Probes are the handles used to hold and test its connection. Tips are at the end of the probe. Digital display, it shows measured value. Meter dial, it turns dial to change function. Panel indicator, it shows each function and setting range to turn dial. Probe connection specific for each function. Now let us understand in detail how multimeter testing components like measuring voltage, measuring resistance, and measuring current. So let us first understand measuring voltage. Plug the black probe into the COM and the red probe. Set the multimeter to 2 volts in the direct current range. Almost all portable electronics use direct current, not alternating current. Connect the black probe to the battery ground and the red probe to the power of positive. Squeeze the probes with a little pressure against the positive and negative terminals of the AA battery. If you have got a fresh battery, you should see around 1.5 volts on the display. Be very careful to do not touch any other electronic components within the equipment and do not touch the tips to each other while connected to anything else. The multimeter provides a parallel pathway, so it needs to be of a high resistance to allow as little current flow through it possible. Now look at the diagram to how to measure voltage. Measuring resistance. Resistance is measured in OHM. Pick out a random resistor and set the multimeter to the 20 OHM setting. Then hold the probe against the resistor leg with the same amount of pressure you when pressing a key on a keyboard. Remember that many resistors have a 5% tolerance. This means that the color codes may indicate 10,000 OHM. But because of differences in the manufacturing process, a 10 OHM resistor could be as low as 9.5K or as high as 10.5K. It will work just fine as a pull-up or general resistor. Look at the diagram, it shows how to measure resistor. Measuring current. Reading current is one of the trickiest and most insightful reading in our world of embedded electronics. It's tricky because you have to measure currents in series. When using a multimeter to measure a current, the only way that can be used to detect the level of current flowing is to break into the circuit so that the current passes through the meter. A typical current measurement can be made as shown below. From this, it can be seen that the circuit in which the current is flowing has to be broken and the multimeter inserted into the circuit. In some circuits where currents may often need to be measured, terminals with a shortening link may be added to facilitate the current measurement. Thank you.